Hi, I'm Phil, co-founder of Cybersecurity Hub and AttackForge. Welcome to Tutorial 3. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new vulnerability in your library. We've built into AttackForge a library with over 1,300 vulnerability definitions. This is built from CWE, CAPEC, and other sources, which makes your reporting easy. However, you may want to customize the vulnerability for your own audience or clients, or perhaps add a new vulnerability altogether. You can do this from the vulnerability library. Here you can create your own vulnerabilities to add to your own library, which you can use on your own penetration testing projects. Only you can see and manage your own vulnerabilities. First, try clicking on Create New Vulnerability. Here you can add all the necessary details to create the issue. You can start from scratch, or you can select from an existing issue in the library and adjust it. As an example, I want to create a modified issue for reflected cross-site scripting. I select the issue from the keyword search and it pre-populates the form. Now I can adjust it. In this case, I just want to adjust the description. Now when I save this issue, you can see I've created a new vulnerability for my library. I can view this. I can also edit it and delete it. I can immediately use this issue when I create a new vulnerability in my project. And there you have it. Try building your own issues in your own library. You build them once and it will save you time across all of your pen tests and ensures your stakeholders are getting the right information every time.